Hi, I am Dennis Johnson from Weiss Johnson. Take control of your comfort and health with the General Aire Model 81 Legacy Series Drum or Power Humidifier. Environmental Protection Agency studies show we spend as much as 90% of our time indoors. Therefore, controlling indoor air quality is essential to a comfortable and healthy indoor air environment. Proper relative humidity provides a comfortable environment for your hardwood floors, furniture, plants, pets, and especially for you and your family. Research has shown that 40 to 60% relative humidity is ideal for today's homes. Unfortunately, in our harsh Alberta climate, 35% is the maximum we can obtain in winter without creating condensation issues on our windows. The General Aire Model 81 Legacy Series Drum Humidifier is ideal for homes up to 2,800 square feet and comes with a 5-year warranty. This high-capacity model delivers 18 gallons per day. The split drum design allows easy removal of the evaporative sleeve for maintenance and replacement. Call Weiss Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative humidification solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss Johnson,